I'm one of those guys who thinks he can just figure things out. So I tend to just go for it. You can call it initiative, you can call it arrogance, but I still believe that doing something is almost always better than doing nothing. That's how I got started in my real estate business. After I fixed and flipped my first 75 houses in about 18 months or so, I decided to get a little training to see what I might have been missing. At one weekend event, I realized that although I'd never lost money on any deals, I had, through my ignorance, left money on the table on nearly every property. So I sat down to figure out just how much. The answer? Right about $50,000. No one individual deal was a huge deal, but when you add it all up, $50,000 was a pretty big deal to me back then. Still is a big deal. This business was easy to do in 2002. There wasn't much competition, and there were more good deals just lying around there than there were people to do them. It's much more difficult now. And for the past 10 years, I've seen people enter this business with excitement and big dreams only to sulk away a year later, having lost a chunk of their retirement or in debt or worse. I believe there's plenty of room for us all, and I want to help all do well if I can, and that includes you. That's part of the sentiment behind the Flipping America brand, which now reaches more than 1 million people every month. I want to help you succeed. I want you to have the life you dream about, the ability to support your family, your charitable interests, and maybe a couple of expensive hobbies if that's your sort of thing. Monday night at the Beginning Investors Group, I'm going to share with you the 5 things you must know in order to succeed at fixing and flipping houses. I'm also going to discuss the 10 biggest mistakes newbie investors make. A mistake rehabbing a house can easily cost $10,000 or more, so when you think about that, I might be giving you $100,000 of value on just one call. Now, after I'm finished with my presentation, I'll stick around and I'll answer your questions, and I really genuinely want to help you any way that I can. Follow the registration instructions on this page, and I'll see you Monday night.